Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Got a beautiful fall day and wrapping up our Chippendale railings job. George Robertson and his guys did another fantastic job on the prep and finish work. Everything turned out just exactly the way we wanted it to. The guys caulk all the seams, prime everything, just gives it a nice continuous look. We use 2x2 full-length pickets, fit everything in place. Flood solid body stain on the new deck surface. Updated the look, just a quality job. Makes this house look new and matches out with the front. So that's how we do it. Chippendale railings completed. If you'd like us to come do some for you, please give us a call, 478-501-0102. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.